In today's video I'm going to talk to you about screening calls. You need to have the latest version of the iPhone software update. So at the end of this video I'm going to have a link for that. So if you go in, follow the process with me now. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. So go into phone. If you've updated your phone, you can see screen calls. Go into settings, do a search for phone, and do a search for phone. Into phone, scroll all the way down to the bottom. It says ask reason for calling, calls from unsaved numbers. They will ask the reason for calling and who they are. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. Watch more videos.